Parker, who do you want to dress? Her or Max? Click on them. Whoever you want to dress. Yeah, a little bit higher up. Go up higher. Move your mouse higher. Okay, wait. It's loading. What clothes? Choose the clothes. Put it on there. Yep. Yep. Nice job. Put it where it would belong on her. Where would a dress be? What else you want to put on her? A coat? Yeah, carry it over. Nice job, Parker. Carry it over. Putting a coat on her. Nice job. How does she look, Parker?